Let your battery down.
Alright, we got Julian and Timmy here again, pumping it up.
As usual.
Here, Cannon. This time we got a dowel in there, peg stuck at the end, and then a 1-inch wood drill bit stuck into the peg. It will go through all this insulation into what we hope, this piece of wood here, and go through it.
120 psi.
We'll see what happens.
130. 140. Want to go up to 160?
Julian, stand behind me and do this. Yeah. No, leave it there. What's that?
Oh, 150-ish.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, cool, dude. Let's do it. And there we go, kiddos. Don't try this at home.
And went in, stuck in